guys, welcome to my vlog, and here we're going to talk about math in nature. Where does Fibonacci came from? Fibonacci is a young Italian and 12th century mathematician. He came up with a sequence which is prevalent in nature today, in one form to another, known as Fibonacci sequence.
The sequence is the sum of the two previous numbers. So the next number after the 1 will be 1, because there was nothing before it. The number after that will be 2. After that will be 3. Then 5. Then 8. Then 13. 21. 34. 55. 89. 144, and so on.
So now you know what my vlog is about. For my first topic, it is a flower outside our school.
The sprout of these new leaves precisely appears to be a golden angle from the one below, and the one consequence appeared to be the minimal blocking of sunlight from leaves below when the sun is high.
For my next video, it is a cactus that I've taken from above.
As you can see, there is a golden angle that is approximately represented as the leaves grew from one to another, and so the successive leaves fill all the spaces with the angle from the previous leaves.
So for my next video, it is about a human hand.
Some other golden proportion in the average human body are the distance between the fingertips and the elbow divided by the distance between the wrist and the elbow creates a golden ratio.
So for my next video is about Fibonacci pattern in a pineapple.
Pineapple pen. Pineapple apple pen.
This pineapple's outer skin is compressed with diagonal pattern, which gives you 8, and on the other direction is 5, which also makes a Fibonacci sequence. Its spiral is formed with hexagonal knobs, and the numbers 5 and 8 are Fibonacci numbers.
And for my last topic, it is a simple tree that I've taken in the park from Lipa.
This tree has a Fibonacci pattern like this: 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. That is also a number in a Fibonacci sequence.
Guys, that's my vlog. Thank you for watching.